such a beautiful day today. I thought I'd just take a ride down to Sunshine Beach and check out what's happening there. It's always quiet, and it's a great place, about 15 minutes outside of Cabrera. Why don't you come along with me, okay? Strap yourself in, and welcome back. We'll catch up with you in just a little bit. Well, I'm just pulling into Sunshine Beach now, and down the little dirt road. You know, one of the things I like about here, I'm going to tell you, there's 7 or 8, maybe even 9 beautiful beaches you can go to. And the wonderful thing about them is, very rarely is it ever going to be crowded. Especially in these little side beaches. You know, you get folks that come up on weekends, but during the week, it's really quiet. You might find 1 or 2 cars on this particular beach, and it's been one of my favorites for a long time. We've had many a good barbecue here. It's extremely safe. Nobody bothers you. It's just, my God, it's so blissful, and there are some excellent places to plant your feet. And it's always going to be up to you to make the decision. And while nothing's perfect, I'll do some droning around here and give you a great idea of a really peaceful beach. Anyway, we call it Sunshine Beach, and it's about a 12-minute ride, I guess, from Cabrera. So we'll catch up with a little bit more shooting. And stick with us, because it's beautiful. We'll catch up with you soon.